This Anasazi Realty Incorporated property video is presented by SUEDalton. 1 acre parcels in the best location in La Salle. You will love these beautiful lots located at the base of the La Salle Mountains just off Markle Rd. There are no covenants or restrictions in this subdivision, only San Juan Ordinances apply. Power is in the road. Buyer would need to install their own septic system and well, or coordinate with one of the neighbors and do a shared well. There are only 2 lots available in this little subdivision, so don't wait to make them yours. Estimated taxes TBD. For more information, review the details below.